A very good morning, friends. Today is Sunday, 20th July. I have come here to make videos for you all. This is lecture number 13 on vector topic, vector 3D. So let us begin. Some problems I have to complete on cross product, and then we'll continue with what is scalar triple product and vector triple product. So let us begin lecture number 13, problems on cross product. If positive value of a bar dot b bar, it is what a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of a bar cross b bar, and a dot b is what, less than 0, then find the angle between a bar and b bar. Since positive value of a dot b is equal to magnitude of a cross b, now it is given that a dot b is negative. So when a dot b is negative, this means modulus of a dot b will be what, minus a dot b is equal to AB sine theta. Magnitude of A cross B is what, AB sine theta. Therefore, minus AB cos theta is what, AB sine theta. So, tan theta is what, minus 1. Tan theta is what, minus tan 45 degree. So tan theta will be what? To remove this minus sign, we will write tan 180 minus theta, which is 45 degree. So tan theta is what? Tan 135. So theta is what? 135 degree, or you can say 3 pi by 4 radian. See the next problem. Prove by vector method sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Not only this, I will prove all 4 properties. So consider a circle having center at origin and radius 1 unit. Let P and Q be 2 points on circumference of circle such that OP makes angle A and OQ makes angle B with positive direction of x-axis. So this angle is what? B, and this angle is what? A. So angle between P and Q, OP and OQ is what? A minus B. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Consider a circle having center at O00 and radius 1 unit. Let P and Q be 2 points on circumference of circle such that OP makes angle A and OQ makes angle B, this I am proving for cos A minus B. Sin A minus B, cos A minus B I am proving. And then we'll prove for other two. Huh? Sin A minus B is what? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And later on I'll give proof of plus. OP makes angle A and OQ makes angle B with positive direction of x-axis. Therefore, angle between OP and OQ will be A minus B. Since length OP1 and OP makes angle A with positive side of x-axis. Therefore, P corresponds to cos A, comma sin A. The reason is what? Since x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, and here theta is what? A, and r is 1. R is 1 and theta is what? A. Therefore, position vector of point P with respect to origin O will become cos A I bar cos A I bar plus sin A J bar. Similarly, length OQ is what? And OQ makes angle B with positive side of x-axis. So coordinates of Q will be what? Cos B comma sin B. So position vector of point Q with respect to origin is what? OQ bar cos B I bar plus sin B J bar. If we have to prove cos of A minus B, now we'll take dot. Actually here I'll prove all four. Cos A minus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, sin A plus B. So first let me do cos A minus B. Consider OP bar dot OQ bar. Cos A I bar plus sin A J bar dot cos B I bar plus sin B J bar. Now OP bar dot OQ bar is what? Mod OP bar mod OQ bar cos angle between OP and OQ is what? A minus B. I component multiplied to I component. So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. OP is what? Unit length. Radius is unit. So 1 into cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos A minus B is what? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So second part is what? We'll prove this. Sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. To get sin, we need cross product. As we took dot product, now we'll take cross product. So consider OP bar cross OP bar cross OQ bar. And how to find cross product of two vector? Determinant I bar, J bar, K bar. Cos A, sin A, 0. K component is not there, so it is taken as 0. Cos B, sin B, 0. OP bar and OQ bar lies in XY plane, and Z axis is what? Perpendicular on XY plane. So unit vector along OP bar and OQ bar will be either plus K bar or it will be minus K bar. So when you will take cross product of these two, it will give you mod OP bar, mod OQ bar, sin angle between OP bar and OQ bar is what? A minus B. And here minus K bar is what? Unit vector perpendicular on OP bar and OQ bar. And when you will expand right side, I bar into 0 minus 0 minus J bar into 0 minus 0. As they lie on XY plane, you will not get I bar and J bar. Plus K bar into cos A sin B minus sin A cos B. Magnitude of OP bar is 1, OQ bar is also 1, sin A minus B into minus K bar is equal to 0 bar minus 0 bar. I'll take minus K common. K is common, negative sign will take common. So we'll get sin A cos B, and this plus will become minus cos A sin B. Therefore, equating both sides we get sin of A minus B is what? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now we'll prove for positive wala. Okay, so next two theorems will be sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and cos A plus B also. Cos A plus B will be what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. In this case also, consider a circle having center at origin and radius 1 unit. Let P and Q be 2 points. Now this time P will be in the first quadrant and Q will be in fourth quadrant. OP makes angle A, whereas OQ makes angle minus B, because it is in clockwise direction. An angle between OP and OQ is what? Angle between OP and OQ will be A plus B. Consider a circle having center at O00 and radius 1 unit. Let P and Q be 2 points on circumference of circle such that OP makes angle A and OQ makes angle B with positive side of x-axis. Therefore, angle between OQ makes angle minus B, sorry. Minus B with positive direction of x-axis. Therefore, angle between OP and OQ is A plus B. This minus sign indicates it is what? Clockwise. Since length OP is 1 and OP makes angle A with positive side of x-axis. Therefore, coordinates of P will be what? Cos A comma sin A. Reason x is what? R cos theta and y is what? R sin theta. Here R is what? 1 and theta is what? A. Therefore, position vector of point P with respect to origin is what? OP bar, which is what? Cos A I bar plus cos B J bar. Similarly, length OQ is what? 1 and OQ makes angle minus B with positive side of X axis. So Q will be what? Cos of minus B comma sine of minus B. Therefore, Q corresponds to cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, but sine of minus theta is what? Minus sine theta. So cos B comma minus sine B. Therefore, position vector of point Q is what? Cos B I bar minus sine B J bar. Now we'll prove first cos A plus B. Consider OP bar dot OQ bar. OP bar dot OQ bar is what? Cos A I bar plus sine A J bar dot cos B I bar cos B I bar minus sine B J bar. OP bar dot OQ bar is what? Mod OP bar mod OQ bar cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. In dot product, I component multiply to I component and J component multiply to J component. Now OP bar is 1, mod OP bar is 1, OQ bar cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Therefore, cos A plus B is what? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then for proving sin A plus B, we had to take cross product. Cross product will give you what? Sin. Consider OP bar cross OQ bar. Determinant IJK cos A sin A 0 cos B minus sin B 0. OP bar and OQ bar lies in XY plane. Therefore, unit vector perpendicular on XY plane is what? K bar or minus K bar. So this is what mod OP bar, mod OQ bar, sin angle between OP bar and OQ bar is what? A plus B into minus K bar is what? Unit vector. and this side you will get I 0 minus 0 minus j 0 minus 0. I and j will not be there because it lies in xy plane, plus k bar into cos a minus sin b minus cos a sin b minus sin a cos b. It is 1 into sin a plus b into minus k bar is unit vector 0 bar plus 0 bar minus common, so minus k bar into bracket sin a cos b plus cos a sin b plus cos a sin b. On equating we get sin a plus b is what? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is what is required. Prove that a bar dot I bar times V to prove is equal to 0 bar. See the proof. Let a bar is what? A1i plus A2j plus A3k. A bar dot I bar is what? A1i plus A2j plus A3k dot I will give you A1. I dot I is what? 1 plus 0 plus 0. Similarly, A bar dot J bar is A2 and A bar dot K bar is what? A3. Now we'll find out A cross J, A cross I. This must be A cross I, A cross J. This is what? A cross I. हाँ इधर है. A cross K. So consider A cross J. Sorry, A cross I first. Again, A1I plus A2J plus A3K cross I bar. A1 I cross I plus A2 J cross I plus A3 K cross I. A1 into 0 bar, Ji is what? Minus K bar. Alright, minus A2 K bar, Ki is what? J bar plus A3 J bar. So finally you are getting minus A2 K bar plus A3 J bar. Consider A cross J is what? A1I plus A2J plus A3K cross J bar. So A1 into I cross J plus A2 into J cross J plus A3 into K cross J. Cross J is this. A1 I cross J plus A2 J cross J plus A3 K cross J. I cross J is what? K bar. J cross J is what? 0 bar. And K cross J is what? Kj is what? Minus I bar. So finally we are getting A1K minus A3 I bar. Now we'll find out A cross I. A1I plus A2J plus A3K cross K bar. Sorry, A cross K bar we want. A1 I cross K, A2 J cross K plus A3 K cross K. A1 I cross K is what? I to K minus J bar. JK is what? I bar. K cross K is what? 0 bar. So minus A1 J bar plus A2 I bar. Now whatever we have to find out, that will take. Consider A dot I times A cross I plus A dot J times A cross J. Plus A cross K, A dot K times A cross K. A dot I is what? A1. And A cross I is what? Minus A2K plus A3J. Plus A2 into A cross J is what? A1K minus A3I. Plus A3 into A cross K is what? Minus A1I plus A2, A1J plus A2I. A1J plus A2I. This is A1J. Will give you what? Minus A1, A2 K bar plus A1, A3 J bar plus A1, A2 K bar minus A2, A3 I bar minus A1, A3 J bar plus A2, A3 I bar. Now minus A1 A2K plus A1 A2K cancel. A1 A3J minus A1 A3J cancel. Minus A2 A3I plus A2 A3I cancel. So vectors are getting cancelled, you get zero vector. So A bar dot I bar times A bar cross I bar plus A bar dot J bar times A bar cross J bar plus A bar cross K bar times A bar dot K bar times A bar cross K bar is 0 bar. This is what is required. Thank you very much. There is no elevator to success. सफलता के लिए कोई सीढ़ी नहीं कि आप सीढ़ी चढ़ के चले जाओ. You have to take the stairs. आपको सीढ़ी लेनी पड़ेगी. Thank you.